Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a windmill double bounce. That looks like this. Obviously it's going to be easier if you've already done a windmill bounce. Link to that in the description below. So it goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's break it down. It starts like an absolutely standard windmill or windmill bounce. So we go back, right to right. The aim in a windmill is that you get all the way around and back to the beginning. So we're going to sweep with the right. Dropping that hand down, we're going to transfer into the left. So it's just like a half windmill at this point. Sweep with the left. Dropping the hand down, transfer into the right, going round for another one. Ladies are now heading back, sweeping with the right, and this is where the first bounce comes in. We switch to the left, we go alongside the lady, trying to get our forearms to meet elbows and wrists so we can block, and then we start to head back. So we're bringing the lady back now and changing the lady's rotation. So now as we come back, the left goes over the lady, the ladies are now turning right. We drop that hand down behind the back, guys are turning right as well now. We switch to the right hand, we go over the lady again. Hand comes down, switches to the left, we're going to take it over to the left, and as we do we're going to bring it up and block, and guys are going to lean past the lady so you get a nice strong block, and we change direction again. So we're heading back around the way we first started, bringing the left towards us. We're going to go over the lady, so ladies are turning left, there's one. Transferring into the right, going down low, guys are turning left, we go right over the lady, there's 2, switch to the left behind the back, and finally we go over the lady for the last time, 3, and back. So let's do that again. We'll give the other view and we will talk some numbers. So we go back, right to right, 1, sweep right up, 2, left up, 3, right up, 4, blocking with the left, 5. Changing direction, we go left over the lady, 6, right over the lady, 7, blocking in the left hand, 8. Changing direction, we go left over the lady, 1, right over the lady, 2, left over the lady, 3, and back, 4. So let's try it. Give the other view again. All together. 5, 6, a windmill double bounce. We go a back, a raise the right, raise the left, raise the right, block with the left, raise the left, the right, block with the left, a raise the left, the right, the left, and back. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and you'll be helping to promote the videos in the channel. So much appreciated to everyone who does that. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.